Okay, students, today we have material with the topic is unity and coherence. Do you know how to write a good paragraph? Paragraph is important of writing in English. In this video, I will talk about something that we call unity and coherence. But of these are necessary skill to be able to write a good, clear paragraph. And the paragraph is made up of a group of sentences that are unit. This is what we call unity. And what is coherence? Coherence means every sentence connect to one main idea and flows together with one unit. Okay, for the first outline for our material today. For the first is definition, unity, and coherence. The second is coherence using nouns, pronouns consistently, and transition signal. And for the last is example. Now with the next slide. Definition of unity. Unity means single idea. In other words, unity in writing is the connection of idea a single topic. Here, an example of paragraph complete unity. Paragraph that we can look at the talk about all these different parts. This is paragraph talking about digital technology 2019. We can see this form, the topic sentence, the rest of the sentence talk more about there are many kinds of digital technology for learning in 2019. The next sentence is supporting sentence explain about digital technology. And you also see the conclusion sentence at the end paragraph. Okay, let's look a little bit more closely at this paragraph. As you can see, the main idea of this paragraph is the first sentence with the clearly states this idea. Then sentence 2 explains supporting sentence, and the final sentence is conclusions. Okay, next slide is paragraph not complete unity. You can see that the slide for the first sentence is topic sentence, and the next sentence is supporting sentence. But in the last sentence, the writer don't explain about conclusion. You can see that sentence the last sentence is we can learn it, but you must following the step to have a good result. You can see the means that not conclusion paragraph, because this is still explain about the body paragraph, but the writer still explain about supporting sentence. Okay, in the next slide is about coherence. The other part of writing a good paragraph is having coherence. In English, paragraph the sentence need to be connected to each other. To do this, we often include certain words between sentence and the next sentence. Okay, coherence. Coherence means that establishing a relationship between the idea presented in a paragraph. Coherence make the paragraph easily understandable to a reader. The purpose of coherence is to make the reader can easily understand the main point. Okay, in coherence, there are three ways to achieve coherence. For the first is to repeat key nouns, and the second is pronoun consistently, and the last is transition signal. The next slide is repeat key nouns. Repeating key nouns or keyword is known as repeating the idea. Repeating key nouns or phrase helps connect and focus idea throughout the writing. Repetition of the key nouns functions as repetition the word, which become the controlling idea found in the topic sentence of each paragraph. They saw that a writer is talking about the same thing throughout the paragraph. It can be mean that Through the use of repeating key nouns, the paragraphs or sentence will connect each other. For the example, you can see the paragraph, the short paragraph. The title is Lion. Lion is the biggest cat after the tiger that is originally from Africa. Even it is also can be found at India. Okay, for this example, okay, I want to explain about the example. The example of repeat key nouns. You can see that the slide about lion. From the example above, the word lion is keyword. The keyword repeated in the second sentence. Okay, let's see. The first sentence is the writer at lion is the biggest, and the next sentence is the writer add to the word is lion, and the last sentence Sam's the writer still add the keyword of lions. When writing, you should be consistent in your use of first, sentence, or third person pronouns, using pronouns at some parity to a sentence. In addition, using pronouns properly means making clear to what the pronoun refers to. For the example, you can see that the short paragraph rainbow is one of the topic phenomena that happen in the atmosphere of the earth naturally. I will explain. Okay, for the example about the word that is the relative pronoun which refers to rainbow. Okay, the word this and it that occur firstly in the second sentence are used to represent rainbow too. In act as an object, the word we refer to people and it function as a subject, while it refers to the earth and the function as a subject. Okay, so uh, the word is that is relative pronoun which refers that a rainbow, and the word this and it that occur firstly in the second sentence are used refers to rainbow too. The next material about the transition signal. To achieve coherence, the writer needs to use transition signal. Transition word also called conjunction adverb connect to independent clause or to sentence. Transition signal are connecting word or phrases that strengthen the internal cohesion and coherence of the writing. It's similar to change from one item of an idea to another. Transition word and phrases help the reader easy to read and understand from one sentence, paragraph, or idea to another. In summary, transition signal give paragraph coherence because they guide your reader from one idea to the next. Transition signals are expressions such as first, finally, and however, or phrases such as in conclusions, on the other hand, for example, in conclusions, and as a result. The other kinds of words such as subordinator, when although coordinators, and but adjectives another and additionals, and the proper and the prepositions because of, in spite of, can serve as transition signal. Okay, you can see the next slide. I will explain about the transition signal. Okay, this is the slide analysis coherence or example of coherence. Okay, we identify the paragraph still about unity, but in the paragraph unity there are coherence. Okay, you can see the slide. uh, Before we analyze in coherence, we have uh, we have explanation about coherence. There are three ways. Purpose is repeat key nouns and pronouns and transition signal. Okay, you can see that the color of the color of yellow, digital technology. This is the term of repeat key nouns. And the second is, you can see the blue color. This is the example of pronoun. Okay, you can see the blue color is about pronouns. The example is our and we. And the last is transition signal. You can see transition signal about coherence. For the example is first and second, the last and in conclusions. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for our material today. I hope you clear about my explanations today, and thank you.